About this item expansive 180-degree view. The Opteka 6.5mm f/3.5 circular fisheye lens offers an incredibly exciting perspective and takes photography to a range that exceeds the ability of the human eye. Bend the typical view of your photographs and video to the extreme with the ability to capture a full 180-degree panoramic frame. That fishbowl angle, combined with the impressive 11.8-inch focusing distance, allows an incredible depth of field, making the 6.5mm the perfect addition to your bag of tricks. HD super multi-coated optics. In order to assist with the common and annoying problem of flare and ghosting, Opteka's fisheye lens has been coated with a special layer above the optics to reduce this harmful effect. Additionally, a removable petal-shaped lens hood is included, reducing further the amount of light directly on the lens. This provides a valuable shelter from unwanted light rays, helping you to capture ultra-clear and vivid images. Consistent and sharp images. Because a single aspherical element is utilized in the lens, this helps to reduce aberrations while maintaining a consistent illumination for sharpness around the entire image edge. Because there is so much detail in the frame of the fisheye with its wide-angle view, this welcome addition is a helpful tool to create high-quality and consistent images every time. Durable heavy-duty construction, with an aluminum alloy lens mount, a super strong connection between lens and camera ensures your Opteka fisheye will hold up against wear and tear and keep you capturing incredible images for years to come. Included, Opteka 6.5